Want to know the secret to scaling your business without leaving your desk? It's simpler than you think. Webinars and online events. In today's video, I'll tell you exactly how they can transform your business. Hi everyone, welcome back to Rao Decode. If you're new here, I'm Manesh and I help entrepreneurs and marketers leverage the power of webinars and online events to drive growth. In one of my recent videos, I introduced you to my butter chicken offering, the specialized offering for our clients, which is all about webinars and online events. Today, we're diving deeper into why these tools are a game changer for any business. Now, I know what you're thinking. Webinars aren't those kind of outdated? Now, I must tell you, they're far from being outdated. Webinars and online events are some of the most effective ways to scale your business and engage your audience. Even if you've already nailed your product market fit, have a loyal customer base, or are stacking up awards, webinars can take your business to the next level. Here's why they are your secret weapon. You can connect with people from around the world, all without leaving your home or office. Imagine reaching to thousands, even tens of thousands of people simultaneously. That's the magic of webinars. Compared to traditional in-person events, webinars are a fraction of the cost and no travel is required. Webinars are a fantastic way to capture high-intent leads and nurture them into loyal customers. Hosting webinars positions you as an expert in the field, building trust and credibility with your audience. I've seen it firsthand with my clients. Businesses that were stuck on a plateau used webinars to massively expand their reach, educate their audience, and build deeper connections. Just last month, one of our clients hit a record number of new leads from a single online event. And you know what? The best part is, it's not rocket science. It's all about execution, and that's where we come in. Now let's talk about how we help our clients leverage webinars and online events to their fullest potential. Here's our step-by-step approach. We start by diving into the latest trends and insights to help our clients choose the most relevant and engaging topics. We use a mix of third-party tools and manual research to ensure the content is spot on. Whether our clients need content from scratch or just a little collaboration, we work together to create valuable and engaging material for their webinars. We connect our clients to the top industry influencers or subject matter experts to join their webinars as guest speakers or panelists, and this adds massive value and credibility to their event. We handle all the creative assets, including landing pages, emailers, social media creative, and display ads, so our clients can focus on delivering great content. We specialize in driving targeted registrations and ensuring a high live attendee rate to make sure that our clients get a best possible ROI. We handle all the logistics from dry runs to live event management, and this way we make sure our clients are fully prepared, and we also optimize the engagement during the event. During and after the webinar, we give our clients full transparency with access to analytics and data, and this helps them follow with the leads in the best effective way possible. Finally, we help our clients continue the momentum with multi-touch follow-up programs designed to nurture leads and convert them into sales. So if you're not yet tapping into the power of webinars and online events, now is the time. Don't let this opportunity pass you by. Whether you're just getting started or looking to take your webinars to the next level, we're here to help you execute and achieve success. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future tips on scaling your business. As always, feel free to drop in any questions or comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts. Want to turn your webinars into a powerful growth engine for your business? Today, I will share the exact framework I use to get the most out of every webinar and online event. Let's dive in. Hey everyone, welcome back to Rao Decode. This is Manish. In my last video, I talked about the incredible power of webinars and online events for scaling your business. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out. There's a lot of good stuff in there. Today, we're taking it a step further. Now that we've established why webinars are so important, let's talk about how you can use them strategically to get the best results. Here is a framework that I use to make online events and webinars a key driver of business growth. Not all webinars are the same, so picking the right format is crucial. Let me break down a few options. Perfect for real-time interactions and Q&A sessions. However, they require a lot of preparations, but the energy of a live event can help you engage the best with your audience. These offer more flexibility since you can edit and perfect them, but they lack the excitement and spontaneity of a live event. The best of both worlds. They combine live elements like a Q&A with pre-recorded content to maximize flexibility while keeping the engagement high. A bigger commitment but highly effective. You can bring in multiple speakers and cover a wide range of topics for a more comprehensive experience. This can help you reach a broader audience and provide immense value. Your topic is what draws people in, so choose wisely. Here are a few strategies that work well. Focus on a specific challenge your audience is facing. Show them how your product or service can help solve it. Nothing beats real-world examples. Showcase success stories that demonstrate your solution in action. Give your audience insider knowledge that they can't get anywhere else. Think of this as your secret sauce. People love learning actionable steps they can apply immediately. Share practical tips that can make a difference in their business right away. For example, I once hosted a webinar focused entirely on solving a major pain point: how to boost lead generation without increasing ad spend. By the end, not only did we deliver tons of value, but we also saw a significant increase in conversions because the topic directly addressed a real challenge our audience was facing. Now, once you have chosen your format and topic, the next question is, should you execute the online event all by yourself or outsource to a specialized service provider? If you've got the bandwidth, skills, and resources to scale, doing it by yourself can work great, but be prepared. It will require time, effort, and attention to detail. Even if you outsource, don't forget to promote it organically through your channels. Email, social media, paid ads, and partnerships are key to driving engagement. Let's talk about content, because ultimately it's the content that makes or breaks your webinar. People connect with stories. Use them to make your presentations more relatable and engaging. Keep your audience's attention by incorporating images and videos. A well-placed visual can make your message much more memorable. Encourage questions, run polls, and use chat features to keep the audience involved. The more they participate, the more invested they become. Above all, give your audience something they can use immediately, whether it's a new skill, a solution to a problem, or exclusive insights. Make sure they leave with actionable takeaways. The webinar doesn't end when the live event is over. What you do afterward is just as important. Give attendees the chance to rewatch the webinar or share it with others. This increases the lifespan of your content. Sweeten the deal for those who attended by offering exclusive discounts, additional content like an ebook, or other valuable resources. Continue the conversation with follow-up emails and targeted offers. The goal is to keep the momentum going and convert those leads into customers. Bottom line, webinars and online events can be powerful tools, but only if you approach them strategically. Experiment, iterate, and always deliver value. If you're looking for more insights or want to see how we help our client create successful webinars, make sure to subscribe and feel free to drop any questions in the comments. Here's a saying I live by: the fortune is in the follow-up. If you think your webinar ends when the cameras turn off, think again. The real work and where the true transformation happens begins in the follow-up. That's where you nurture leads, build relationships, and ultimately convert attendees into customers. Let me show you how to make the most of this critical phase. Hi everyone, welcome back to Rao Decode. This is Manesh. If you've been following along, we've been talking a lot about webinars and how they can transform your business. But today, I want to talk about what happens after the webinar, the follow-up. This is where you can truly maximize your return on investment. The follow-up isn't just about sending one email and hoping for the best. It's about building relationships, providing value, and guiding your attendees toward becoming loyal customers. Let's walk through a powerful follow-up sequence you can start using right away. Right after the webinar, send a thank you email. Make sure to include a link to the replay and any offer or bonuses you promised during the webinar. This helps keep the engagement going and gives attendees the chance to revisit key points. Next, send out a quick survey. This is your chance to gather feedback. Find out what resonated with your audience, where you can improve, and identify any pain points. This insight will help you make your future webinars even better. Create a series of follow-up emails that continue to deliver value. Address common questions, offer additional insights, and remind the attendees of the benefits of your product or service. This sequence keeps you top of mind and moves leads further down the funnel. Now, reward your attendees with something special, whether it's a discount, early access to new product, or an exclusive offer just for them. This creates a sense of urgency and make them feel valued. Don't forget to follow up on other channels through targeted advertising. Run retargeting ads across digital media platforms to remind attendees about your offer and influence their decision making. This is also one of our key offerings, and I will share a video on this soon. Finally, for high potential leads, take the extra step of reaching out personally. Whether it's a personalized email or a phone call, this one-on-one engagement can make all the difference in closing the deal. Remember, the follow-up isn't just about selling. It's about building relationships and continuing to provide value. Be genuine, be helpful, and be persistent, and you'll see the results. Consistently invest time and energy into your follow-up strategy, and I promise you'll maximize your return on investment from every webinar you host. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on growing your business. And let me know in the comment what's your biggest challenge with webinar follow-ups, and I'd love to help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.